Hi, everybody. This is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. I am thrilled to have with me once again Amir, my good friend. He's an expert trader and analyst just from his experience in banking. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin and maybe one or two other cryptos. We might even talk about the Cosmos ecosystem because we're just going to free flow here. And in the second part of this video, we're going to have a conversation about what's happening in Ukraine and in Russia and the global ramifications of it all from my take from the research that I've been doing.
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
The world's most advanced cold wallet for the new generation of cryptocurrency lovers. Descent.
Excellent.
Hey Amir, how you doing?
Good, Rich. Thanks.
Yes, we've had that Russia conversation.
Yeah.
Warm up, right? But that's the second part. Now we're going to look at the charts, right?
So and we can also talk about what's happened at Fantom. We'll bring up the Fantom chart as well. I don't know if you heard.
I know nothing about Fantom.
So, okay, so we'll mention that.
It's misspelled. They spell it incorrectly.
Yeah. Let's. We can look at the Bitcoin chart first. You bring it up. You bring it up.
Okay, this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and I really go for a long-term view, right?
Daily chart is the right one. I mean, look, it's really simple. Like we've got all this volatility short term. And I'm bullish from here, but we have the Fed meeting this week, and so I can imagine, a pretty volatile few days, but then uptrending from there. On the low side, I would see like the 34 area as like real support. But I don't even think we'll get that low. And if we do, it'll be more like a wick.
Right, like we had here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so wicking down possibly here. Now, I, being highly trained in child protection social work, see it slightly differently.
Tell me.
So I see this trending, and I know you look at candles, right? That's it, pretty much, right? So I look at patterns. So I see this ascending triangle. If I zoom out, you can see it here from about here. Maybe I can move that down just a little bit, this line. Hold on a second. It's an ascent, which is normally bullish. And there's this this support line here. And it bounced off here, it bounced off here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and it bounced off here. Well, it wicked down, but it's gone back up.
Yeah.
I think it's likely to bounce up. There's a local resistance at around about 39K, which is from here, 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 here. And if it breaks through that, then the next stop is going to be 44.5.
Yeah, so what we're saying is very similar. We're just basically saying that the trend is intact to continue up from here, but it's just a question of where the support will kick in. And I actually do see what you're saying. Like if it wasn't for the FOMC meeting, I would say we're going to do what you're saying. I'm just concerned that we'll get a wick down because of the FOMC. That's all.
How will the FOMC meeting, what decision they make will affect?
I think if they announce that they're raising rates, even if it's only by 25 basis points, I think the markets would take a very short-term hit. Although we could get a contrary move and they move up because it's already been priced in. So the market basically says, okay, we knew that. So now we've got, that priced in. Now let's move up because you won't do that again for a while.
Okay, so let me get this right. So what you're saying, the price will either go up as a result of the FOMC meeting, or it will go down as a result of the FOMC meeting. However, it may just move sideways. That's also possible.
Crazy, isn't it? It's almost not worth doing a video. It's like, why are we even doing it?
I know, but it's good to talk to you. But it also highlights that there's nothing guaranteed here. We're talking, talking likelihood. It's like if I look up at the sky right now in England, right, it's clear sky, so it doesn't look like it's going to rain. But that doesn't mean that the wind can't change direction, bring in a whole heap of clouds out of the blue that I hadn't factored in, and then we get heavy rain. That can happen.
Listen, I think what's worth mentioning is that with all the bullish on-chain data and all the catalysts for crypto in general, countries adopting it, the growth, Wall Street getting involved, all these reasons, this confluence of reasons really shape for a potentially explosive bullish kind of season.
Yes, and I think also the potential for Bitcoin being a safe haven trade.
Yeah.
Gold is near $2,000, or may have just gone over $2,000 this morning.
Yeah.
And in some respects, Bitcoin is easier for people to get into than to get gold.
Yeah, I agree, and it's just easier to handle as well. So for all those reasons.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens. If you want, let's look at a Fantom chart, because I think it's worth mentioning also what's happened there.
Okay, hold on. Let me bring that chart up.